Alright then. So, this is another tutorial. Alright, so you're here to know about the NCR Ranger thing, the helmet. Yeah. So, alright. There it is. All its glory. Here, Here you go. Full on, just look at it. So, here's what you need. Ski mask, black. Iron Man helmet, or face mask, whatever. For the spirit of Halloween, get this metal or plastic green bowl helmet that's supposed to represent metal. Scrounge up some random pieces of materials. Go look for like tubes, wires, like Gatorade bottle caps, just pieces of metal, anything that can like represent that can and like work around this area. Alright, get a toboggan as well, and get some red lens sunglasses like these right there, and then get some rubber material, plastic, cardboard, anything that you can scrounge up around the house or apartment or dumpster outside of Family Dollar, whatever. So anyways, there you go. This is so I started with an Iron Man helmet, and that's kind of the base. And then you want to get the toboggan, which can be seen right here. Glue the edge right over top of the eye, not covering the eyes, but right at the edge of the eyes, the eye sockets, eye holes, and then have it come back to here. So then you got that. So that'll keep the helmet on with something other than just a crappy little string. All right. Then you want to get the ski mask and cut most of it off, like cut most of the top off until it's like right around the area of the chin. And you want to glue that right into the mask on the inside, so that way it'll cover up. So like I got like a really long head and big head, so without this you can basically see if I were to talk, and plus you can see all of my skin on my neck, and I really don't like that. That's awful. So what I used here for the side is a plastic tube for the main tube, and parts of a broken airsoft gun. It was like a rifle, and some wires, bits of metal and plastic, and that's like this side of it. And then once you get all that glued, you have that together, you can glue them in a certain order. Then the other side is just like the other filter, I guess, which I just used a large Gatorade, Powerade bottle cap. Right here is just other pieces that I found around the house. I think this was like an Iron Man thing, once again. The mouthpiece, it might have been like an arc reactor. And then I've got like a large bolt around the mouth. Then over top of this, I do recommend putting plastic over certain areas, just to have an extra layer, and it extends it out just by a bit. I used like rubber from like a wetsuit once again around this area of the face mask. And you can really choose to glue the lenses on at any point around this area. You could do that first if you wanted, and just make sure that you can see. There you go. And if you want the tube to connect to something, I recommend connecting it to the back of the ski mask. Then you get the helmet, the bowl thing from Spirit Halloween, and glue that over top of the toboggan around the front and a bit on the top, and that gives you the solid helmet look. Right here is part of a charger and a paintbrush handle for like the antenna and piece right here. So once you do all that, you can paint it silver around the faceplate. I did take puff paint and do like a tally right here. And I scuffed it up with just a couple areas with like a small knife. And that's basically it, really. You're basically done. I do recommend putting padding a bit on the inside of the helmet, so that way it's not super uncomfortable and hurts to wear it. Yeah, that's basically it. This is the helmet that I use this in that really horrible and trashy 50-second short that I did for Fallout New Vegas about the quarter. And it had no dialogue or anything. So yeah, if you want to know how to make the coat and body armor, here is this. I will cover this in my next video, most likely, or one of the next videos. So you want to figure out how to do that, and stay tuned. Otherwise, I am going to head out, and I will see you next time. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye, everyone.